In today's video, we're going to check out the top 5 best vacuum cleaners in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the price and find out more information about these vacuum cleaners, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, it's the Shark NV352. Shark Liftaway NV352 is an upright vacuum that's very easy to maneuver, can easily clean hardwood floors as well as rugs and carpets. It's a good buy due to its light design, flexible swiveling head and the exceptional suction power. You can also lift the body of the vacuum from its floor base and make it functional as a canister vacuum. This of course is very easy to use with upholstery and cleaning your car. The never lose suction technology is very impressive. It really doesn't lose suction when transitioning from the surface to surface, hardwood to carpet for example, ensuring you get proper and optimal floor contact to provide cleaner floors. For reaching the spots difficult to reach, the swivel steering gives you options to maneuver. The pet hair brush included in the package works very well in that aspect, leaving your furniture pet hair free. At £12.5, the Shark NV352 is very light and is not bulky. The dust can is bagless. It can shelter a lot of dirt and dust. Emptying it is pretty easy too. Just hold it above the trash and press the button that opens up the lid. The canister mode is also pretty convenient, helping you clean hard-to-reach areas or while not giving your back any strain. Because it's top-heavy, there's a good chance that your vacuum cleaner will fall and spill the dust can. Although you have to be extra careful with this vacuum cleaner, it is a little fragile. Damage to the unit can be made through falls if attention is not being paid. Also, the vacuum tends to overheat when used for longer than 20 minutes, so it's advised to not use it for longer periods of time to prevent damage to the machine. The Shark NV352 is pretty versatile and provides great value for its price. It comes with interchangeable tools and an extension wand that can even reach up to the ceiling. Thanks to its motorized brush, the main cleaning head will do an amazing job on carpets, and it even has an on-off feature, making it rather convenient. A solid vacuum choice that does not disappoint. At number 4, it's the Kenmore Elite 21814. The Kenmore Elite 21814 is an all-rounder bagged vacuum cleaner, proficient in cleaning every surface from hardwood to high-pile carpets. Also included is the pet power mate attachment that makes it ideal vacuum cleaner if your house has a pet. With lots of suction power and easy maneuvering, it's a good mid-range price vacuum cleaner that punches above its weight. The Kenmore Elite 21814 canister vacuum cleaner will easily remove all unwanted pet hair with its motorized pet power mate attachment, getting easily into corners and into thick carpets to successfully remove your pet's hair. Besides pet hair, with its HEPA media filter, it removes microbial dust, pollutants and allergens, providing a safe ambience for allergy sufferers. It's also certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. The vacuum cleaner offers a good ambience for pets and those who tend to be allergic. The Kenmore Elite is armed with a dual motor system integrated into its lightweight and portable chassis. The dual motors provide the device with 20% more power than the average upright vacuum. This proves the suction power of the unit and ensures that your floors will stay clean. Cleaning power is always up to the task with proper airflow due to the special double-walled design. Also, it's easily maneuverable with the swivel steering. You can use the 7-degree hose to reach high into ceiling corners. The Elite 21814 is packed with a lot of extras as well. The Ultra Plush nozzle is made to be used on upholstery and on Ultra Plush carpets. It's a very user-friendly vacuum cleaner designed to make your life easier. It provides elite cleaning performance and has outperformed vacuum cleaners in all price ranges. Very easily the best Kenmore vacuum cleaner. It's a very easy choice buying the Kenmore Elite 21814, combined with practical features and lots of power. The price point and the pet aspect help as well. But according to the users, the best advantage of this vacuum cleaner is the antibacterial HEPA filter. It's capable of cleaning any surface, and with the extra tools provided by the manufacturer, you don't have to worry about performance of this product. At number 3, it's the Roborock S5. Finding a capable and intelligent robot vacuum cleaner that does a good job is pretty hard to find, maybe impossible, if you don't count the Roborock S5. You may not have heard of the Chinese brand name, but it's not a brand to be overlooked. An interesting sign is the investment by Xiaomi in the Roborock. The quality of the Roborock S5 really speaks for itself. It's a very capable product with a very affordable price, doing better cleaning than most of its expensive counterparts. It certainly looks like every other robotic vacuum cleaner. With its shiny, glossy finish, it gives a pretty mediocre first impression, and the charging dock, main cleaning brush and side brush, multiple sensors and bump rail. But this is also a mopping bot. It can also be a smartphone app controlled. It's a very intelligent mapping system providing a lot of detail. There's a brush located under the top cover with a sharp blade with it, which can be used to easily cut hair from the main brush if needed. The filters of the bot are washable and easily accessible. It's particularly easy to keep the robot in 100% functional state to make it even more efficient. Via the My Home app in your smartphone, you can change the way the robot cleans depending on your needs. Cleaning modes include Quiet, Balanced, Turbo and Max. You can remote control the bot, and you can set it on automatic scheduled cleans to set on a daily basis or whenever you want them. You can even set suction power for each of your scheduled cleans and set spot cleaning mode as well. The Roborock S5 uses an intelligent mapping system with SLAM algorithms. It can easily detect obstacles with its laser detection, and it won't get stuck. Surprisingly, it does an amazing cleaning job which isn't expected from its price range, and it does so on carpet and hard floors. The mopping ability of the Roborock S5 is rather impressive, and it's fairly easy to use. It's not the best, but we were surprised that it was even included. It's a simple truth that the Roborock S5 competes head-to-head, sometimes even does a better job than bots that cost twice the price. It's not a buggy, but it does everything smoothly and docks gracefully. At number 2, it's the Shark Rotator NV501. The Shark Rotator NV501 is a very affordable upright vacuum cleaner. Shark has claimed that this unit out of the box has better suction power and better overall performance than the other upright vacuum cleaners that cost double or even triple the price. And while it may not have led the performance race, it was just marginally worse than its competition, and at that price point, it's extraordinary. It's also very versatile with its lift-away technology. It's a good-looking vacuum cleaner actually, and it's not trying to look as high-end as other models. Its glossy white body with some red touches gives a contemporary and functional look, which appeals to the eyes of many buyers. The components are pretty strong and solid with a good quality build. The wand is also secure, and the transparent bin is not flimsy as expected. To top all this off, the vacuum can be used in canister mode as well, making it rather versatile and able to clean hard-to-reach spots. The Shark is very functional. It has a lot of features and it's easy to use. Also, converting the vacuum from upright to canister mode is done in a blink. Attaching and detaching brushes and accessories is very smooth. It's also 15.5 pounds light, and combined with a pivoting head, it's extremely maneuverable and can do pretty much everything you want it to. Performance-wise, it's very surprising. From a budget price vacuum cleaner, we get a very premium suction power, and it performs very well on hardwood and various carpets. Even in plushier carpets, it does a good job. It also offers very good suction for pet and human hair, leaving the surface hair-free. Certainly, the more expensive premium vacuums have better suction power, but the Shark Rotator NV501 is right there with them, making it a very valuable product. With its versatility and power combined with the price tag, the Shark Rotator NV501 is one of the best upright vacuum cleaners and the best budget option hands down. It lacks some features that we're used to on more expensive Shark models, but it's still very impressive and capable. And at number 1, it's the Dyson Cyclone V10. The Dyson Cyclone V10 is a cordless vacuum cleaner that Dyson claims is as powerful as a corded model. The company has also claimed that they won't be developing any new full-size plug-in vacuum cleaners based on the performance of the Dyson Cyclone V10. It has great cleaning performance, good ergonomics and an impressive battery. However, it does run at a premium price. But it is absolutely the best vacuum cleaner. Dyson has made some overhauls from the previous V-Series models. The V10 now features a front-facing barrel which you can connect all the attachments to directly. Located behind the barrel is the expanded Cyclone array, which now has 14 chambers in total. Also, the new V10 digital motor, the best and smallest and smartest that the company has ever produced. The engine is half the size of its predecessor, but it produces 20% more suction power. At the back, you can find the filter, which you can remove with a simple movement, giving you better access. Dyson claims that the filter captures 99.97% of allergens in the air, very impressive to say the least. The bin capacity has also been increased. It now houses 40% more dust than before. The Dyson Cyclone V10 has put on an amazing performance in every dry vacuuming scenario. With all the attachments provided, it really is ready for every battle. The direct drive attachment is like a standard vacuum head. The soft roller cleaner head is a great attachment for cleaning larger fragments of debris from the floor. The mini motorized tool is excellent for stairs or upholstery. The Flexi Crevice tool with an extendable hose is an ideal tool for cleaning the car interior. The Dyson Cyclone V10 has 3 power modes available: low, medium and maximum. The battery on low mode has a lifespan of 60 minutes, on medium around 30 minutes. However, the maximum power setting will only last for 6 minutes, recommended for cleaning small areas that need more attention. A bit more expensive than its competition, but it offers more power and features that no one else has. The most advanced cordless stick vacuum on the market by miles. If you're looking for the best, look no further. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.